Mom, look! Nutty made a trip to the pyramids. The computer drew it perfectly. But how did it even know what a pyramid looks like? And even draw a camel there? Did you tell it?
That's a fantastic question, sweetie. I didn't tell it directly. The real secret behind how it knows things is something we call an algorithm. It's the key to everything AI does, from drawing this picture to how our car drives itself.
Algorithm? That word sounds so complicated.
It sounds complicated, but let's use an example we just finished. An algorithm is just a set of instructions. The simplest kind is exactly like this manual. It gives you clear step-by-step instructions to follow in a specific order.
Oh, you mean like this manual of the toy. Step 1, install the 4 boards. Then, step 2, install the motor and axle. And then, step 3, attach the wheels?
Exactly. You followed the steps in the correct sequence, and the result was a finished car. That's a perfect real-world algorithm. In fact, buildable toys like Wooden Car Kit is a fantastic way to understand this concept. They show you exactly how a precise set of steps leads to a predictable outcome.
Okay, I get that part. But drawing a pyramid isn't that simple. You can't just say, step 1, draw a big triangle. It wouldn't look real.
You are absolutely right. And that's where the magic comes in. For complicated things like art or driving, we can't write down every single rule. It's impossible. So instead of giving the AI a simple instruction list, we give it a training plan.